Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to view saved passwords in Firefox. When you fill up login details on a web page in the Mozilla Firefox browser, it offers you to save the password. The next time you need to log into a previous web page, Firefox automatically fills in the sign-in credentials if you have saved your password in your browser. Sometimes, you need to log into a web page on a different device or browser, and you might have forgotten the password. If you previously allowed Firefox to store the password, you can easily retrieve it on Windows 11, 10, Macs, and Linux operating systems. Here is how to do it. How to view your saved password in Firefox. To see or view a saved password in the Firefox browser, first open the Firefox browser on your computer. Then, click on the Open Application menu button and select Passwords in the drop-down menu. Once done, the Logins and Passwords tab will appear. Here, in the left sidebar, you will find a list of sites with stored account information. Click on the account you'd like to view in more detail. Now, you will see details about that account in the right sidebar. This info includes the website address, username, and a password hidden by default for security reasons. To reveal the password, click the eye icon beside the password. Here, if you want to copy the password, just click the copy button beside the password. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you want to watch more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.